You have a grenade?
No.
Spin. I got him. I think he's good. He's out. Far leg!
Is that right there?
Yeah. Oh, we buffed him up, dude. Yeah. Are you okay? Not okay. Hit, nice shot. Hit. The other one's in market. Wait, don't we take it to them?
You take it to them or us?
Take it to them.
Oh, fuck.
Alright, yeah, we have to take it over there.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah. I'm pretty freaking sure, yeah.
Damn it. Wait, we're supposed to do
Aren't we supposed to take the bomb over there?
I thought we were just supposed to defend it.
No, we're attacking.
Oh, we are attacking. Oh, yeah. I'm pretty sure it's
So who's going with me?
Alright, I'll go.
Alright. We have to take the both bombs, right? Yeah, bring it! Bring the bomb!
Bring it!
Right behind you. Shit. Oh, I see him. Woo! Hit, 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 hit. Excuse me.
Yeah, we got the one from Broadway.
You ready? No, that's not it.
Hey, this case is right here on the other side.
Yeah, I know, I see it.
You want to cook it?
Yeah, let me finish reloading.
There's that bomb in it. There's the bomb right there. What do we got to do? We got to take it? No, it's good here. What do we got to do? We have to take it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we take it fine. We take that rock launcher over there too also, I'm guessing. That's what they're telling us. You wanna take it? You wanna try it? Go ahead. Where's it coming from? The window over there?
Crawl to it if you can.
Want to parlay? I have my barrel up.
Bang, bang.
Yeah, I also have my barrel up. Parlay!
Where's the briefcase?
It's inside the hospital.
Why?
Because I got.
Is that supposed to take this one? Careful, hospital 34, man.
7 minutes, guys! 7 minutes!
Where are they?
We got it, we got it, we got it.
What are we doing? Do we bring it back to our base?
We got to plant it in the van.
Right outside.
Hit, fuck!